Hello all, my name is Abdul Rahman and I am going to teach you about Introduction to Python Programming. So in this tutorial, we are going to learn about installation of Python, installation of some IDEs and etc. So first of all, we will talk about introduction. Like with Python, you can do a million different things. Like you can make websites, you can make softwares, you can make applications, you can make games, you can make self-driving cars. You can do million different things, whatever you want. All kinds of stuff are here. So first of all, we will download here some Python by opening my web browser here. So now I will type here is some website known as python.org. So after opening this website, I will download Python. So here in this you can see some tabs, like you can see about, downloads, documentation, community, whatever it is. So what you need to do is download the Python by going here. I will click downloads. So you can download the latest version of Python or whatever the version you can download here. So there are lots of versions, 3.10, 3.9, 3.8, whatever it is here. They are here. So you can see here. So now I have already installed Python here. So here Python 3.7. Can you see here I have downloaded, installed Python 3.7 already. So now what we will do is, now in the previous video we have learned about some IDEs, like we have learned about in the previous video we have learned about IDEs, like they are known as integrated development environment. So first of all, it's a place to write, run and debug the code. So here we will download some IDEs known as VS Code. So I have already installed and I will show you how to install it. Code. VS Code, open this website. Okay, now I am opening this. Can you see here? Okay, after opening this website there will be something here, download here or here. So if you are using Windows, you can download it for Windows, and if you are using Mac OS or Linux, whatever it is, you can download. Okay, I click here, download for Windows. Okay, then it asks you some questions. It was so it's downloading here. So then it asks for where to download. Leave this. Now I have already installed VS Code. Here it is. Is it? And I will type here VS Code, Visual Studio Code. So here I will close this website. We'll close this. After downloading, it will be like this, as you can see on the screen. So now what we need to do is download some extensions. Okay, after downloading VS Code, in VS Code also there are some extensions. Like here you can see, if you keep here the cursor, can you see here the extensions? I will click here. So I will download some extensions like variable I will install this extension. So at the end I will tell you its features. I'm installing it. And now what I will do is I will type here some Python. And now I will click this. So I have already installed Python. So now what I will do is I will search here Python docstring. Or you will download Python preview. So I will download Python preview. This one I will install it. So it's also installing here. And docstring, Python doc. I will also install it. So now we will go to our home page. I will close this one. And now again I will go to the extensions. Clear this one. So I have installed REPL for Python, and now I am installing. And Python also I have installed. Can you see here? Python docstring we have downloaded, and Python preview. So now what we will do is, let's get started. So now what I will do is I will create some file. Okay, new file. Or I will go here and open some new file, create some new file. So now I will save it. I am going to save this by pressing here Ctrl S, or I will go here, save as. And now see here, I will click here in my file here. Okay, so now can you see here the difference? I will give here known as test. So after test, can you see here text txt means it saves as a text file. So I don't want text file, I want here Python file. And now I will save it. Can you see here till test.py. So now I will give something known as parent. Hello world. So can you see here, and now if I am running here in the console, it's showing hello world, right? But if you click here, can you see here some symbol of REPL? If I click this, so before you doing that, I will show you something known as print. I will print Can you see here? Before running the program, can you see here? Hello world showing. Okay. Now if I give here something, and now if I'm giving some variables, like I'm giving x is equal to 10. Can you see here variables? The variables is showing x is equal to 10. Okay. So now we have learned about how to install Python and VS Code. Now we will thank you for watching my video, and we will meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.